Mike, many congratulations. What a win.
Yeah, it was. It's strange because we just seem to have something about the Welsh Cup, you know, myself in the past as well, and people will say the sending off changed the game, but I think that we were more than good value for it. We'd done our homework on them, we knew exactly what they were going to do, we knew they'd be direct. The first corner the sending off did come from, I'd seen it in the week, I knew what the signals were, and James Barry's read it, and you know, it's paid dividends in the end. But, you know, you've got to take your hats off to them. You know, that they kept going, the way that they kept asking us questions. There's moments even straight after the goal and hearts in the mouth, and you're thinking, you know, is this actually going to be our day? But luckily enough, things came good. And you know, in the quarter-finals of the Welsh Cup, it's unbelievable. It really is. And
inspired substitutions by the manager, I'd say.
No, it's nothing to do with me. We knew the subs would make a difference. They were all chomping at the bit. The reaction that I got from them was unbelievable. I was listening to them in the first half, and I said, even at half-time, genuinely in the dressing room, I said to the lads on the bench, they've been your biggest fans first half. I said, so, you know, be honest with us, and they'll come on and win you the game, and that's exactly what's happened.
Andy, bitterly disappointed, I'm sure.
Yeah, the boys worked hard for 85 minutes, and then just that lap concentration to concede on the counter is really disappointing with all the hard work they put in.
Down to 10 men. Any complaints at all about the red card?
No. I think it's a red. But then we've had one where he's done exactly the same without keeper. Our keeper's dislocated his shoulder, and he hasn't even had a yellow card. But we're up in North Wales. We know we're not going to get them decisions up here, and we know what it's like up here. So yeah, it is what it is.
Unbeaten run goes on. You're into the quarter-finals of the Welsh Cup.
I know, but it's brilliant. You know, it's great for the city. But we've got a huge game on Tuesday night now. You know, we've got to go and play Triada Bay. As much as it's an away fixture, we're still, you know, we're here. And that's the nitty-gritty. You know, we've got to get back up the leagues. There's no two ways about it. We've got to win the league to go up. There's no rooms for errors. You know, we need to make sure that come the end of the season, what happens in the Welsh Cup happens, but at the end of the day, we need to win the league and make sure we're back in Tier 2 next year.
I think if we had 11 players, we win that game. I think I'm confident, I'm pretty sure of that. With 10, they didn't really cause us any problems. They didn't, you know, we didn't concede any real chances, big chances. I think it was just a matter of getting that extra 4 or so minutes over the line, and then this toss of a coin and penalties. That was the aim, but yeah, disappointed with the red card, and I think if he stays on the pitch, I think we win the game.
Dylan, llongyffedau mawr trwodd i'r rownd go gyn derfynol. Oedd hi'n andros o gêm dda?
Oedd hi'n gêm dda, ti'n gwybod. Gêm hafal a wedyn ni chathu yn y diwedd, so good result, yeah.
A chditha ni chanol i, dos ni trwy'r ddwy gol?
Cafnu brec o ochr ni, a wedyn nes i jyst rhedeg efo'r pel, a oedd hi'n cross dda i fewn, a wedyn Jack gorffen i off. A wedyn yr un ail, Josh roi fo off i fi, a wedyn ges i shot, nath hwnna taro'r post, a Sam hwnna i rhoi hwnna i fewn hefyd.
Yr eilyddion yn cyfuno, eilyddio ysbrydoledig gan y reolwr?
Oedd, mae'n siŵr mae'n gwybod rhywbeth da i gallu gwneud penderfyniadau fel 'na.